Here's something with a bar across it telling me I can't go in there. Don't you dare go in there. Well, it's got to be something interesting behind them bars. Let's check it out. I came from on the other side of those bars, and I believe I've reached the Cottonwood Spring. Well, this is the staging area where I used to park and hike towards the pass-through arch. It took me several tries before I finally did find it. I don't remember if this is 3512 or 1356, but let's see what this. I could take the road back, but I'm thinking the wash would be quicker now that I have all the trail maintenance done on it. Cottonwood Spring.